The shear machine. The shear machine is used to shear and cut pieces of metal. The shear machine we use at Lake Washington Technical College used to be owned by Boeing. This shear machine used to be foot-powered, but modifications were made to improve safety. Now the user must use both hands to operate the machine, instead of using his or her foot. An acrylic plate was also added to the front of the machine to avoid fingers getting crushed when feeding metal pieces into the machine. Personal safety procedure for working in the welding department. Protective goggles, gloves, and earplugs are supposed to be used when working in the welding department. When using the shear machine, goggles are mandatory. Gloves are optional but highly recommended. Steps for using the shear machine. 1. Make sure you're wearing your protective clothing. 2. Turn on the machine. 3. Check the back of the machine. Make sure there is no material in the way and that nobody is standing behind the machine. 4. Feed a piece of metal to the machine. Do not use welded metal in this machine. If you do, it could release shrapnel and hurt someone. 5. Press both green buttons simultaneously. The machine will shear the metal piece. The sheared piece of metal will drop on the back of the machine. Turn off the machine. Go to the back of the machine to collect the cut piece of metal. Remember, always use safety equipment. Remember, take care of others. Follow the procedures. Check the machine before and after using it.